What's shaking, y'all? It's Chelsea Silverman here at Juiceteria, and today I would like to share with you how to make a drink frothy. Now this can be done with different ingredients, but I'm gonna choose to do more of like an orange creamsicle kind of drink with some froth on top. So in order, some fresh squeezed orange juice, some vanilla extract to make it a little sweet, and some ice. So we'll go ahead and put all of our ingredients into our blender or Vitamix. And we'll start with the milk, and we'll just go ahead and pour this into our blender. Boop. And then we'll go ahead and we'll add our fresh squeezed orange juice so we have a nice orange flavor throughout. It'll be really refreshing, especially in the summertime, which is not right now, but you have an experiment to do for the summer coming up. And then we can go ahead and add some vanilla extract or vanilla flavor. And lastly, we'll add our ice. The ice is the key component to the froth. So we'll go ahead and froth it up. High speed, in this case, is the key to making a frothy drink. So don't be scared. See it starting? So as you can see, that high speed added a little bit of froth to our orange creamsicle drink. And we'll go ahead and pour it in. Ooh, yummy. Little bit of froth. Again, it depends on your ingredients and how high your blender speed is to get the maximum amount of froth as possible. So I'm gonna try this out because I just can't wait. It's good. It's really good. I haven't had orange creamsicle in a while. Good idea. Okay, so use this good idea at home, and this will help you with your hair, your skin, your nails, everything to shine bright. So shine bright like a diamond.